Major General Mugisha Muntu yasharamo kwereso mugisho kuganiraho n'abanyamakuru mu rurembo rwa Fotopoto ahashonga za district ziyarema kwikamu abwe mpanda mbi na mnonge ya Ntoroko
konka ebyentambura byashoboroka kurungi nabwe cyo twasharamo okuhandikira Electoral Commission okukosa orunako rundi orukwija kwa nko mu December ninga January orukwija kwa free hata nho turateke abundu buryo na Ntoroko
kumara we kizibeki muntu yagera mu district egineta gafutebwa mu sente zeru kumara no kubyarebera
abantu emitunga ikaba bingo mu myanya yabo imyaka nk'etano yahwire 5 mukaga government yaraganisa kugeraho yaba teba kansiza hukuza kandi icyo nabo twacibugayine wanseko omuri burisa kubwa tine kirabayiro ukuyaho bakatugera ba wanseko ngo bakabaha kilozi 3 zo guhungane bikopobiri yebihimba
muntu yakena no muzego guze mu ma district ecyari kugira ngo kirubatirira abantu bingi
muntu guze mu rumo akamanya nagwerwa abuko no naryo mwinazi muntu kutunda mu rumo akagutunza umwana uwishe yaguze kibanja ninga yaguze utuntu twayine kugira ngo kwaraheze ishemero atunje mu rumo kandi emirimo niye tunguri hanga
Nyenchakare muntu naza kusiba mu district ya Kabarore omugandi Robert Center mucyaguranyo kwise bendera ya National Unity Platform mu kushera karuruko bwa president Elizoba yasiba mu district ya Alebatong na Otuko mchanga cha Lango Cyaguranyi nabahagize batungo kuteganise bwabwe ngutombi mu district ya Alebatong na Otuke kandi yagera ngo yaba yatungiro bwa president naza kubanza no kutereze nguto mu ihanga ryona.
The reason why we are passing in the deepest places in northern Uganda, in the most remote places in Lango, to see how you are living, to see the reality. But also we have cameras surrounding us and they are seeing the reality.
Ogwashendekerezi bw'abandi bebembezwe rwo mu kibina cya National Unity Platform yashaba barango kumwesiga kakora nshonga yengutombi ezingamize ntunguko mu cyangeki.
That when they vote for me, they vote for unity. They vote for better roads. They vote for an end to corruption. 40 years, my friend. It has been 40 years. 40 years, I'm sure many of you have never seen another president. We can change that. So come out and vote.
Cyaguranyi abagira ngo bareke kurunda bebembeza bwo kugira ngo babasa kubaha sente kureka batora nabo abari kuzakora nshonga zabo.
Let us come together. Let us build a new Uganda. Let us take over this country, man. We can take over this country. Let us take over this country as young people.
Abatora bamugera ngo aratunje bwa president abayamba akora nshonga ze by'amagara.
Do you have good hospitals? Your children are in the police and the military, but how many generals do you have here? So I am telling you, brothers and sisters, that this is not about Bobby Wine. It is about all of us.
Cyaguranye Nyenchakare naja kwa mu district ya Abim hamwe na Kotido ndi Anita Tukunda na Jonathan Singwire.